There were big trucks, big tools, and big guys doing big work recently at the Botanical Garden. Why all the buzz? Well, the Hampton Roads Tree Care Association's Arbor Day of Service saw it off, a great event at the garden. Certified arborists and local tree care companies spent a day safely taking down big trees.
The goal was to take 4 trees down without hitting any other trees or, more importantly, any other people.
The members of the Hampton Roads Tree Care Association donate a day of service out here every year to the gardens to help them out on trees that they can't handle themselves. So basically we're out here trying to get the dangerous trees on the ground and get them cleaned up.
3 of them are direct result of the lightning storms we had this summer, where they were struck by lightning earlier in the summer and then they proceeded to die afterwards.
The first step, put rope all around the trees so when they're cut and they do fall, they won't go anywhere. How did the rope get up there? Slingshot, of course. Once the trees were tied off, it was time to start up the saws.
Well, this tree that we just removed here, this was a lightning strike on this tree, and it failed. It broke out and got caught up in another tree, which makes it very dangerous for people walking by.
The process continued throughout the day. Slingshot, tie, cut, and drop. All thanks to volunteers from 4 different tree care services, the cities of Norfolk and Virginia Beach, and Old Dominion University.
It's all volunteer today. All the tree crews are volunteering. The crews are not getting paid or anything. It's all volunteer, and they're doing it out of the goodness of their heart.
But it wasn't just about taking trees down. Folks also had the chance to learn more about planting and pruning trees and shrubs.
It's an educational opportunity for the public to see proper arboriculture, and we're trying to promote certified arborists in the area. We're probably less than 30 in the area at the present time, and to kind of, for safety reasons, for tree health care, to bring the standards up in the area for tree care across the board.
This is really a gem of the community. The gardens is probably the best place there is to go and visit for trees and the green industry itself.
The Botanical Garden offers interesting classes and family memberships all year long. You can see nature while learning everything from Pilates to painting. Get details online at www.norfolkbotanicalgarden.org.